Hello everybody. Sorry if the background sound is a little noisy. Okay. Hello. Introducing myself. My name is Baskoro Aziz from Interior Bina Nusantara, University Malang. I'm here with my teams. Is Adisti Safrilia from Architecture in Merdeka University Malang and Ida Bagus Ananta Wijaya from Interior Bina Nusantara University Malang. Today I will present interior of Surya Optical Store historical building in Malang with 3D reconstruction. Okay, Malang is a small city, has history and heritage in form of historical buildings. So we can look in this. This is Indonesian and the location is East Java and Malang. So this is only 12 historical buildings that are still good and well maintained, and others have been destroyed and changed. And more changed from the form and the color is different from the past. Interior of the optical store historical building in Malang with 3D reconstruction. Why I take this is topic because very interesting because interior lost their identity in the past of the historical building. This is why I take this because 3D reconstruction because the problem of the historical building from the exterior and interior of historical building has lost their identity. And if done, a reconstruction will be provide a considerable cost. Not to mention when the building is inaccessible into inside. Therefore, 3D reconstruction is needed to facilitate the exploration of the outside and inside. For the exterior has been solved with the preservation, which is often done by historical building activists. And for the interior, there have been many changes from the materials and ornaments. So, this is some photo historical building in Kayutangan Street or Basuki Rahmat Street. Nah, can look today's modern era, people enjoy its historical building from the facade and from the building. They are not freely access interior of the historical building, whereas of the interior of the historical building is no less interesting to observe. And the interior of the historical building can be a new space experience for the community because it can fill the historical building in modern era and can increase the interest and experience for people around building tourists. We can look trying to provide a new experience because today the people have never felt atmosphere of the interior for old times. And we can look this for this too. The atmosphere is different from the past and now, and the atmosphere is different. And we need to analyze element and principle design to find the facts of the element and resolve this interior space from the past. Fountain buildings or 12 building before I give a picture. So from the 10 buildings become the icon of the Kayutangan Street. And only one building that contained documentation of the past interiors like a photograph. The one of building is the Surya Optical Store have a documentation interior just only of Surya Optical Store the documentation in 1973. Okay, and the method I used qualitative historical research and descriptive method. The fact historical research to describe or photograph a past circumstance or event that used to become the learning process of today's society. Well, descriptive qualitative is a method of the examining the status of a group of human objects by making this description systematically, factually, and accurately about the fact or phenomena investigated. So the observation and documentation field observation aims to know to real condition in 1973. Regraph existing research objects, especially on the size of the interior space, furniture laying, and designing elements. Documentation to get an overview on the interior of the optical building at the time of 1973 as a 3D reconstruction later. The second is interview. This interview was conducted to owner of Surya Optical Store building, who is the owner and direct the design to get data on the state of the interior, floor plan, and furniture laying in 1973. Third is a study, maybe a study library. The purpose of this study is to obtain a study on things that need to be considered in the interior design of historical building. Now, the reconstruction of the historical building is several variables selected. Now, this variable indicator I got from the many research and good research. So from other research like Mahmudi, Ahmad, Perovic, Faulik, Hafiz, Rankel, Kafuta, Widiantoro, Fauzia. This is from many places to discuss about historical building. Okay, next. This is my research flow. This is the background. The interior of historical building is the most disparate with characteristic and they are found. The problem is the same, the reconstruction and conservation solutionnya. Making a 3D interior for making last longer and analyze. I will analyze 3D interior and the result is a comparison the past and the most impermanent elements and vertical and element in lines. So this is layouting, and a plan. So this we can see the interior documentation of 1973. So this is we can see the interior documentation of 20 and 21. So we can see the interior 3D reconstruction too. Okay, these two. So this element design I got from three element. There's more dominant a square, rectangle shape, and horizontal and vertical dominated line in a balanced manner. This is from the color. The color display building is like blue on the walls. And most dominant white color and brown, with accent on the glasses display furniture. And the end of element, there is a motif. The motif is stand out on the floor in from the dark red with red spot and ceiling with prominent patterns. The lighting is divided into two parts. That's natural and artificial. Natural parts have by window and opening doors. The effect using fluorescent extended across the ceiling. The principal design is proportion, harmony, and balance. From the proportion, the size of the furniture and the size of the result is looking heavy, vertical, focus in furniture, and look spacious horizontally. Harmony in interior can be seen from the wall content in the interior, like floors, wall, ceiling, and furniture. Thus, natural colors and shapes is continuity, like unity from the ceiling, walls, floor, interior, and neutral colors. The balance is asymmetrical balance in a visual we found in interior of the room and on its furniture. So this is a conclusion. From the result, the literature studies, documentation, and discussion of Surya Optical Stow 3D reconstruction in 1973 compared to today on element and principal design from the ceiling and furniture, lighting and color. This is because the need is owner, the basic, and this is of change is due the changing needs of the community and competitiveness, as well as expensive building maintenance. In terms of design elements, these most of prominent elements are vertical and horizontal line elements. On the most prominent fields, elements are square and rectangular fields. On standout from elements is a cube form. The cube form is dominated. The characteristic of the building is visual balance of interior and interior attraction of the historical building. Optical store is a furniture becomes the center of attention because of the size and harmony of the building against the background of the wall, room, and ceiling as high as 5 meters. For lighting experience, the equalization of light between the front and towards the back of the building using the lighting, and when using natural lighting, degraded lighting from the service area to waiting area and front to behind. As for the sailing experience and addition of the iron trails, because this is prone to crime of the theft at the night. And from the research and the VR, we thought our virtual room tour to get a public perception to discuss experience of the space obtained by community. So this is my presentation. Thank you and see you again.